हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आज वीडियो रे हम डिस्कशन करिबा 2024 सीपीटी एजुकेशन नो क्वेश्चन आंसर। तो चलन तो स्टार्ट करिबा आज वीडियो। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन अच्छे द टर्म एजुकेशन इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम डैश लैंग्वेज। तार आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर डी लैटिन लैंग्वेज। सेकंड क्वेश्चन एपिस्टेमोलॉजी इज द थ्योरी ऑफ। आर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर बी नॉलेज। 3 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फिलोसफी बिलीव्स इन द डुअल नेचर ऑफ रियलिटी। आर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर ए सांख्य फिलोसफी डुअल नेचर ऑफ रियलिटी रे बिलीव करे। 4 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच ऑफ द फिलोसफी प्रेस्क्राइब्स स्ट्रेट डिसिप्लिन फॉर स्टूडेंट। आर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर सी आइडियलिज्म। 5 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा इंटीग्रल एजुकेशन वाज एडवोकेटेड बाय। हम समस्त जानछन्ती इंटीग्रल एजुकेशन कथा जोटी भी आछी सेठी श्री अरविंद तो आसीबे। श्री अरविंद ही इंटीग्रल एजुकेशन रो एडवोकेट करथिले। 6 नंबर क्वेश्चन एजुकेशनल साइकोलॉजी इज द स्टडी ऑफ ह्यूमन डैश इन एजुकेशनल सेटिंग। तार आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर सी बिहेवियर। 7 नंबर क्वेश्चन ऑब्जेक्ट कंसिस्टेंसी इज ए कॉन्सेप्ट इन। आर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर ए इंटेलेक्चुअल डेवलपमेंट। 8 नंबर क्वेश्चन इंट्रा इंडिविजुअल डिफरेंसेस रेफर्स टू। आर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर डी डिफरेंस इन क्वालिटीज विदिन द इंडिविजुअल। 9 नंबर क्वेश्चन इन कैलकुलेशन ऑफ द IQ द डेमोनेटर इज। आर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर बी क्रोनोलॉजिकल एज। 10 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेयर्स ऑफ साइकोलॉजिस्ट ओरिजिनली एडवोकेटेड फॉर कंस्ट्रक्टिव अप्रोच टू लर्निंग। आर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर सी पियाजेट एंड वाइगोट्स्की। 11 नंबर क्वेश्चन असेसमेंट ऑफ पर्सनालिटी थ्रू रोरा किंगबोल्ड टेस्ट इज ए और एन। आर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर डी प्रोजेक्टिव। 12 नंबर क्वेश्चन ए चाइल्ड रिसीव्स इट्स फर्स्ट एजुकेशन फ्रॉम। आर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर बी फैमिली। 13 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स इज ट्रू। आर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर ए एजुकेशन फैसिलिटेट्स मॉडर्नाइजेशन। 14 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू। आर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर सी एजुकेशन इज ए सब सिस्टम ऑफ द सोसाइटी। 15 नंबर क्वेश्चन एन इंक्लूसिव क्लासरूम इज वन वेयर। Our answer of option number B all categories of students including the deprived section of the society and the children with special needs study together. 16 number question which of the following is not an implication of the broader meaning of education. Our answer of option number C education is that which is received only in the school and other educational institutions. 17 number question according to Sri Aurobindo the first principle of teaching is. Our answer of option number D nothing can be taught. 18 number question the theory of values is known as. Our answer of option number A axiology. 19 number question which of the following is not a social aim of education. Our answer of option number C developing one's intellectual and physical power. 20 number question Tripitaka is a part of the curriculum in dash education system. Our answer अब option number D Buddhist. 21 number question an illiterate skilled farmer is. Our answer अब option number A illiterate but educated. 22 number question which of the following is not a characteristic of lifelong education. Our answer अब option number C limited to academic learning only. 23 number question which of the following philosophical thoughts has an affinity with spiritualism. Our answer of option number B idealism. 24 number question which of the following is not a type of naturalism. Our answer of option number D social naturalism. 25 number question which of the following philosophical thought advocates that there are eternal and universal values. Our answer of option number A idealism. 26 number question in the Buddhist education system after their upasambhava students become. Our answer of option number C bhikshus. 27 number question which of the following is not a function of educational aims. Our answer of option number D providing one inflexible path for completion of education of the student. 28 number question, which of the following is not a common tenet of Sankhya, Vedanta, Jaina and Buddhist philosophies? Our answer of option number A, existence of the God. कारण एमाने समस्ते हेटेरोडॉक्स सिस्टम ऑफ फिलोसफी रे आसंती तो एमाने गॉड रो एक्जिस्टेंस को बिलीव करंती नाही. 29 number question, who of the following is not considered as a proponent of pragmatism in education? Our answer of option number C, Charles Darwin. 30 number question, which of the following principles of education propounded by Mahatma Gandhi was not retained in the basic education scheme? Our answer of option number C, self-supporting education. 31 number question, Rabindranath Tagore founded Vishwa Bharati in the year. Our answer of option number B, 1921. 32 number question, which of the following is considered as the highest level of teaching? Our answer of option number C, reflective teaching. 33 number question, which of the following is an appropriate meaning of teaching? Our answer of option number D, facilitating. 34 number question, in the context of Gagne's hierarchical learning, which of the following list is in correct sequential order from lower to higher? Our answer of option number D, multiple discrimination, concept learning, rule learning, problem solving. 35 number question, which of the following presents all the steps of a 5P model of lesson plan in correct sequence? Our answer of option number B, engage, explore, explain, elaborate, evaluation. 36 number question, which of the following is not a maxim of teaching? Our answer of option number A, from teaching to learning. 37 number question, a comparison of an unknown quantity with a known fixed quantity of the same kind is called. Our answer of option number C, measurement. 38 number question, systematic determination of a subject's merit, worth, significance and achievement with regard to aims and objectives of any action is called. Our answer of option number D, evaluation. 39 number question, formative evaluation takes place. Our answer of option number B, during the course of instruction. 40 number question, which of the following is a difference between teacher made test and standardized test? Our answer of option number D, fixation of norms. 41 number question, which of the following scale has an absolute 0? Our answer of option number D, ratio. 42 number question, which of the following operations cannot be carried out on the values of a variable measured on an interval scale? Our answer of option number C, division. 43 number question, teacher made test are. Our answer of option number A, criterion reference tests. 44 number question, taxonomy of educational objectives was propounded by. Our answer of option number A, B.S. Bloom. मैं समझते जानते ब्लूम्स taxonomy बोली. 45 number question, which of the following assesses the consistency of scores across different administrations of the same test? Our answer of option number C, test, retest, reliability. 46 number question, objectivity of a test is primarily concerned with. Our answer of option number A, accuracy of test results. 47 number question, blueprint is prepared at the dash stage of test construction. Our answer of option number A, planning. 48 number question, which type of validity refers to the degree to which test scores correlate with the scores of an established measure of the same construct? Our answer of option number B, concurrent validity. 49 number question, the research conducted by practitioners to improve their craft is called. Our answer of option number D, action research. 50 number question, in an experimental research, the variable that is manipulated to find its effect on another variable is known as. Our answer of option number B, independent variable. 51 number question, the universe from which a representative sample has been drawn for the purpose of a research study is also known as. Our answer of option number D, population. 52 number question in APA style, APA stands for. Our answer of option number C, American Psychological Association. 53 number question, which of the following is a plagiarism check software? Our answer of option number A, Grammarly. 54 number question, the practice of the gathering data for a research study by asking people questions is called. Our answer of option number B, survey. 55 number question, find out the mean from the following on group data. ये जो on group data अच्छे आर mean find करिया को देचे तो आर आंसर अब ऑप्शन नंबर सी 77. 56 number question, which of the following set of on group scores has the highest value of standard deviation? Our answer of option number D 2, 6, 10, 14, 18. 57 number question, find the median from the following on group score. तो our answer of option number B 10.5. 58 number question, the total area between -1 deviation and +1 deviation of the normal probability curve is. Our answer of option number D 68.26%. 59 number question, the exact midpoint in a distribution of scores is. Our answer of option number B median. 60 number question, T scores are normalized standard scores converted into a distribution with a mean of 50 and a deviation of. Our answer of option number C 10. 61 number question, which of the following is credited with recommending for establishment of the first modern universities in Bombay, Calcutta and Madras? Our answer of option number C Post Dispatch 1854. 62 number question, Dr. A. Lakshman Swamy Mudaliar was the chairman of. Our answer of option number B Secondary Education Commission. 63 number question, Operation Blackboard, a program to improve the primary schools all over India, was recommended by. Our answer of option number B NPE 1986. 64 number question, which of the following has the responsibility of developing elementary school curriculum in Odisha? Our answer of option number C SCRT Odisha. 65 number question, experience centered curriculum places emphasis on. Our answer of option number A students collaboration and problem solving. 66 number question, which of the following is not true? Our answer of option number A curriculum is silent about assessment techniques. 67 number question, which of the following is not a goal of counseling? Our answer of option number C to provide direction and advice to solve personal problems. 68 number question, which of the following is not a function of BSc Odisha? Our answer of option number A providing funds to secondary schools. 69 number question, the first college established in Odisha was later named as Revensa College and now has become the Revensa University. What was the name of this college when it was started? Our answer of option number C Cuttack College. 70 number question, all CTEs and all AISEs in Odisha at present are under the administrative control of. Our answer of option number C Directorate of TE and SCRT. 71 number question, identify the search engine from among the following. Our answer of option number D Google Chrome. 72 number question, which of the following activities can be conducted using hot potatoes? तो our answer of option number D creation of interactive quizzes. 73 number question, what is the part of email ID that comes after the @ symbol? Our answer of option number A domain name. 74 number question, a student suffering from depression is in need of. Our answer of option number C counseling. 75 number question, which of the following is not true under the administrative control of School and Mass Education Department Odisha? Our answer of option number B Odisha State Bureau of Textbook Preparation and Production. 76 number question, create a constant purpose towards improvement. Who said this in relation to quality management? Our answer of option number A W Edwards Deming. 77 number question, which of the following is not true about growth and development of human beings? Our answer of option number B, growth continues throughout life. 78 number question, Howard Gardner's theory of intelligence is? Our answer of option number C, theory of multiple intelligence. 79 number question, which of the following is not true about ECCE programs in India? Our answer of option number C, children are taught to read and write simple words in ECCE. 80 number question, which of the following is an interpersonal life skill? Our answer of option number A, effective communication. जदि वीडियो भल लगे लाइक करूँ, कमेंट करूँ और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करूँ. थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग.